Hello everyone. Hey, I'm headed to a service call. This one's for an apartment owned by the city, actually. Hey, there's one of my rentals. So anyhow, I got a call, something wrong with the toilet, so I'll go in there, take a look, and hopefully get some video for you. Alright, so handle is broke off. We got another Mansfield. It's probably hard to flush too because this seal is bad down here. When that seal goes bad, it forms a lot of suction. So we'll go ahead and replace the handle and replace that seal to make it a little easier to flush. Come on to focus. There it does. So new seal. I'll try to put this on one hand. May be difficult. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause this. Alright, I got the new one on. If you remember, the new one's flat. So this should have been flat. That was the problem, and that's likely why they broke the handle, because this thing gets too hard to pull up once this gets all out of shape like that. So now we'll change the handle. Nothing too tricky about replacing these. The only thing to keep in mind is that the threads are reversed when you're doing these. So it's righty-loosey. Alright, so I got the new handle put in there. Let's put the bolt on. Remember, threads are backwards. Then about a quarter turn. Alright, we just have to bend this thing out. And now put this new tower in. Get this handle through here. That back on. Let's fill it up and give it a try. Alright, it finally filled up. This one's slow filling, but let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, that's easy. Good. I think this one's good.